Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've got an not really unboxing, because this is a second-hand sort of thing that I bought from our friendly people at Cash Converters in Falkirk. Yes, I've gone their site, there's loads of stuff on Cash Converters, it's really quite good. I know what this is in here, but for some reason, there's something there and there's something there. So, with a bit of ado, without any further ado, let's get into this. Now, I love going on Cash Converters. There's such crap on there and such really good stuff that sometimes they don't know what the value is. So you just get in there and get it. Now this, if it is what I expect, is a USB charger. Okay, I ordered a USB charger. Hooray for me. Nice flat one as well. It's like I say an Apple one, but it's not. That's just for charging up this thing. And it's still got that beautiful film on this. Let me give you a bit of a... Oh, what's one of those videos called? Oh, I can't get it off. Oh, there you go. No. Yep. No. Yep. No. No. Yes. You ready? Oh. Oh. Ah. Yes. Thank you. So, what's in the bag, I hear you say? This was on for £15, and it says £15, but they also had the bit saying, bid, no, give us an offer. So I put in 10, no, 11, no, 12, no, 13, and it came up with £13 for the At Games Mega Drive. Handheld, and I love my Mega Drives. It's one of those consoles that, yes, I had as a kid. Well, I'll say kid, I'm not a kid, but I had access to one. But this on ooh, got power. This on standard Amazon sites is about 50 odd quid or something like that. But this is definitely the Mega Drive version, or so I'm being told. It passed safety inspection the 2nd of the 11th. Sega handheld console Mega Drive portable mini Game Gear. So let's get rid of that. Let's not get rid of that. So let's have a look. So what you get is, I don't know why there's a low battery warning. That'll be a power light. Low battery ones down there. So you get an AV out, so you can put this onto some speakers or something anyway. USB charging, I'll have a guess, with 5 volts. An SD card slot, which is the most important, because I think this comes with, is it 88 games this comes with? But you put a load more on an SD card, and you've got everything. Looks like volume, controller, yes. So, funny how you haven't, oh yes, an AV out. I haven't got an AV cable for this. I think somewhere in mine, so I can plug it into the TV. Headphone socket on the bottom, on-off switch. And for some reason, I don't know. Why is there a flap on the back? We'll have a look inside this, I think, anyway. So, front, you've got a menu button, you've got a start pause, you've got A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So it's a full 6-button configuration. And then your pad over here. Very much similar to the old Mega Drives, but not as coarse, I don't think, anyway. So let's have a look, see if it actually works. So power on, low battery light is on. Ooh, At Games. So without me holding this too close to the screen, let's have a look. There's no brightness control on this, so it's obviously the volume. Anything I understand on here? Alex Kidd doesn't like the Mega Drive as well, doesn't it? Yep. So I'll go right for the next page. Okay, so we can see what's on here anyway. If you can see that screen, okay? Is that okay? Yeah, there you go. I can see it as well. Columns 3, eSWAT, Golden Axe, Dr. Robotnik, Mortal Kombat 1, 3, and then II. Okay. Panic. Rolling Thunder 2 and 3. I love Rolling Thunder. It's an arcade game. It's absolutely brilliant. The music is stuck in my head permanently. Sonic Spinball, Sonic the Hedgehog 1, 2. So no Sonic 3. But that's fine. I've got that up above here anyway. But you can put everything else in the SD card slot and play to your heart's content. So let's... Actually, I've got Sonic 3. Well, Sonic 3-ish. Sonic and Knuckles was the unofficial... Well, official, but not official. I know what I mean, anyway. Let me show you. Sonic 3 came as a cartridge like this. Well, Sonic and Knuckles did. But you could put the other games inside it, which is really good, because you could play Sonic and Knuckles, or you could play as Knuckles or whatever characters, as in the Sonic 1 maps, which is really good to have something like this. You can never find something like this in original box. It came in a cardboard box, people threw it in the bin, and that was the end of that. But that's my copy of Sonic and Knuckles. So, let's have a... Shall we have a go? A doesn't, B doesn't, C. Okay, start and pause. Okay. Ooh, that sound is shocking. It needs more brightness. Why don't them buttons work? Okay, start button on. You can't see a thing on that, can you? Oh, that's really awkward. Can't get off the mushrooms. Look at that spin. Well, this is a really bad port. It's really slow. Why is it going really, really slow? Doing its own thing here. What on earth is this thing doing? Well, okay, so you press the menu to go back to the menu key, menu there. Let's try something. Let's try Alex Kidd. Obviously Sonic and Knuckles doesn't really want to work. Rookie Town. I think this wants a clean. So, while we're here, let's take this to pieces and see exactly what's inside here. Now, 4 screws, hold it together. I've took the back, the screw off on here to see what's behind the flap, and it is a battery, which is a standard NP60-2 kind of phone battery. There's nothing behind here. It's like that's the back end of the SD card slot, 3 pins, done. So nothing much to that anyway. So let's get in. It's like the rubber sections are holding things in. All 4 screws are out. Price tool. Maybe a clip or 2 on here. Yeah, on there. There we go. Back off. Okay, so we've got a sensor inside there. We've got the chip covered in whatever, and another chip there. That's for the battery, that's for the volume. Okay, so maybe I need to take these 3 screws out to see if the joypad's actually got any faults with it. There's nothing much to this as usual. Why put a massive SD card slot in the middle of there? And you can just put a micro one quite easily. They don't have a they've got a standard small mini USB, so why don't they do a An SDHC. A mini one. Yeah, I wonder whether there's I'm sure that's a sensor anyway, isn't it? Or is it capacitor? Let me get these 3 screws out and see what's behind that. So the answer to that is, it's just a screen. I'm not sure if somebody's already been in this, there's a little bit of dirt there. Get rid of that. And dust, the more it's exposed. Doesn't really look to be in too bad a condition anyway. Maybe a little bit of dirt on there. So I think that may be his fault anyway, the left button. With a little bit on this right one as well. So a little bit of quick cleaning. I mean, that screen, I wonder if I could use that on like a Game Gear or something. It'd be nice if I could do that. Because it's not a bad screen, it just wants a lot more light to it. But not much. I'm sure there's an option somewhere on this to actually put the brightness up a little bit anyway. So nothing much to this. I'm going to give it a quick clean on these couple of little areas anyway and put it back together again. And we should be, hopefully, all running perfectly fine. And there we go. All back together again. Let me see if it works. And it's in the charger as well. So the red light's showing charge. And I'm guessing if it's green, because this is a tricolour LED, at least anyway, so it'll go red, yellow, green. So when it's green, I'll guess it's fully charged. Turn it on. Yeah. At games, yeah, they were kind of responsible for giving away some absolute bilge stuff. The upright, up, down, left, right works perfect now. Well, here's damn it. I hit it right. But yeah. Absolutely spot on. For 13 quid, I couldn't really go wrong with it, to be honest. Nice clean on the back now. Got rid of the gunk and the stickers. Couldn't really go wrong. So I wanted one of these because I love playing Mega Drive. I've got at least, I think I've got at present I've got 3 Mega Drives. 2 Mega Drive 1 and then a Mega Drive 2 as well. But yeah, I love playing stuff like this. I love putting stuff on portable devices, and I'd like to know if anybody out there knows this sort of stuff, the cheap as hell crap at games stuff, which yeah, but it kind of keeps the games alive a little bit, nothing major or anything, but can you use the parts on something else, like the screen, maybe to use it on a Game Gear? If it's possible, please, honestly, please get in touch. Message below, send me an email, anything, Facebook me, whatever, and I would love to be able to figure out if I could use parts of these on a Game Gear project, because the screen on my Game Gear is shocking, and I don't want to fork out 100 odd quid for a new screen for it just to make it look a little bit better. I mean, granted, I could probably play things on here anyway, a lot of Game Gear games possible, but yeah. If you know, please comment. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. We've got social medias. If you want to donate something, I don't want to go out and buy all this stuff all the time, but if you've got something you want me to show off here, because you're not got your own channel, so shall we say, but you want to still display off what you've got, then please get in touch. And I'd love to see what your collection is, and maybe even I'll do a visit or something like that. We'll see what happens. Depends how the channel actually progresses over the years. But at Games Mega Drive, double thumbs up for me for £13 from Cash Converters. Do recommend Cash Converters. They've got loads of stuff on there which is really good. Loads of stuff on there that is or overpriced, but it's same as with sex and with other online, offline, high street sort of second-hand sort of stalls. But you get what you pay for, and I only paid 13 quid and it works fine. So double thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.